What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe. So we got a Shiba Inu update. I have to keep y'all up to date with everything. Now first I gotta say, make sure you subscribe and you turn on notifications and also hit the bell icon, and I promise you will not miss out on this next bull run. You want to be able to make money during this time. Also, if you're interested, I almost forgot to show you all this. You know, we do options trading as well in the AM. So if you want to learn how to trade options and how you can potentially make money like this, we were able to do this $620 profit on this contract in about maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes. So check this out here. As you can see, 20% gain. Remember last week I told y'all we were doing some smaller contracts to show y'all that it was possible with smaller money, but this is what it looks like when you do it with some bigger contracts. You can make a few $100s in a very short period of time. So reach out to me via email, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com, if you're interested in learning how to trade stock options. Now let's get into this. Everything going on with SHIB will be covered on this channel. We got this update right here that a bullish chart pattern for SHIB suggests its rally may continue. Now let's see why they say this. A technical chart pattern presented on SHIB's chart may suggest that the SHIB price will climb. SHIB is setting up for a bullish breakout, which may suggest that the price will continue to climb. In addition, SHIB is in the perfect position to capitalize on the next leg up, which may result in an explosive move. SHIB's price is forming a trend continuation pattern called a bullish pennant, which comprises a flagpole and a pennant. The pattern started forming between June 19th and June 25th, following an explosive 34% move by SHIB. This move formed the flagpole, and the consolidation in the form of higher lows and lower highs means that, you know, the lows are higher lows and lower highs means it's merging together like this, which created the pennant. The bullish technical formation forecast a 34% upswing to the 15 level obtained by adding the flagpole height to the breakout point. How many of y'all were on the stream where we already did this live and I told y'all that it looked like we were gonna hit that 12 level and possibly even break out to that 15 level? This is why you wanna be subscribed to the channel, because you get this information. We called this out maybe like 2 weeks ago. You know, so really subscribe, really tune in, you know, so that way you can have this information before the overall market starts releasing it. Something interesting to take note of: SHIB's price has pierced through the pennant's upper trend line and has produced a daily candlestick close above it at roughly the 1116 or 116 level, signaling a breakout. This serves as support for bullish signal. However, investors should wait for the secondary confirmation, which will be SHIB successfully retesting the pennant throwback support. Should the retest hold, investors can expect SHIB's price to reach its target of the 15 level, especially if the price overcomes the closest hurdle at 13.9. Although the bullish pattern for SHIB looks clear, a re-entry into the pennant will be an indication of weak buying pressure. In this scenario, if SHIB produces a daily candlestick close below the 9.5 level support, the bullish thesis for SHIB will be invalidated. So keep that in mind. If it closes below that 9.5 level, then this is invalid. We will have to relook at the charts and determine what's going on. So now let's take a look at some of the main team social media pages. We see we got a tweet from Shytoshi retweeting this tweet from the main SHIB page. Now, you know, I tried to kind of speculate on what this meant, but it was, you know, still a little too early. That many people hadn't commented it yet. So now that more comments are here, we're going to go through some of these comments and see, you know, what this can actually mean. Because I'm not sure. You know, we got the Baby Yoda, you know, tweeted from the official SHIB page, and then we got Shytoshi retweeting it with a picture or a GIF of Thor winking. So let's see. Someone says this is where the fun begins. Someone says during this market panic, selling as little as possible can be considered one of the worst moves. It's a good idea to look closer. The future riches are usually built surviving this kind of tough periods. Someone else said, you dumb bro, no more pump. Someone else said, prepare for the dump. Let's see. Someone put the whale GIF. Lord Shiba Inu, imagine if SHIB holders are 100% right. Someone says, imagine if non-SHIB holders are 100% wrong. Let's see. So we got some type of news coming, man. I don't know what this is gonna be. You know, let me know what y'all think this might be referencing. Someone says focus on burns, no more secrets to investors. We did get, you know, an update from Ryoshi saying, you know, he wanted more clear updates with things, but right now it's looking like, you know, Shytoshi's gonna kind of continue to do what Shytoshi wants to do as far as, you know, releasing information in that format with kind of like hints and, you know, little teases. So someone else says release Shiba Inu already. This pump has nothing to do with SHIB itself. Someone else says nice, let's keep it going. Someone else says we are waiting, good news. Someone else says point of this is what lets go with SHIB. So I don't know what they're saying. But let's take a look at the price real quick. So we're at that 1224 level right now. So let's go on the daily chart. And now if we take a look here, just to show y'all what he meant. So if you look here, June 19th, after this low point here, we could see that we started to, you know, form this flagpole here. And if we look in this range, we started to form this pennant. Obviously, we just got a breakout outside of it. So some people could say from either here as well. Which will all, sometimes you'll find multiple patterns within patterns or triangles inside of triangles, but both of these are still valid. But this is a bullish signal right here, and you've seen that breakout came right around this area. Sometimes it's not always perfect when the breakout will happen. Sometimes the market will step in and push things up ahead because it knows it's about to happen. But we can see that here. So very good signal. If it closes above the 13.9 level. So let's take a look at where that is. So basically, if we could break where we see this level here, so notice how this was a support level before we drop below it. We'll test this area here as a resistance. And if it breaks above that, then that lets us know that we are likely to continue to push up to this 15, 16 level here. So let's take a look at a couple more Twitter pages, see if any of the team, any other members of the team said anything. Okay, Milkshake just letting us know SHIB. Milkshake said SHIB token about to surpass Dogecoin's Twitter account on followers. The social flippening. So SHIB at 3.4 million. You know, that's a very big feat. You know, you gotta think about that. Dogecoin is one of the most, you know, popular and widely known meme coins. So for SHIB to be about to take that place, you know, that's a very, very bullish sign for us as SHIB holders. So shout out to the SHIB Superstore burning. So that's pretty much it right now. The global crypto market cap is 1.02 trillion, a 6.61 increase over the last day. The total crypto market volume over the last 24 hours is 82.96 billion, which makes a 34.4 increase. So let's take a look at the overall market cap in crypto right now. So right now that has actually refresh that. That's funny, that's the first time. Okay, so it said about 1 trillion, a little over that point right now, We got Bitcoin pumping up 6% for the day. Ethereum pumping up 6% for the day. Bitcoin back at 23,000. Ethereum back at 1573, almost 1600 right now. BNB always performing well at 273. We got Doge at 6 cents, almost 7 cents. Shib at that 1225 level. So right now, congratulations to those that have been buying the dip. If you see, like, let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum is up 46% in the last week. So if you bought Ethereum a previous week ago, you're up 46% on your money. So for those that dropped, 1,000, 10,000, that 1,000 went to 1,460. That 10,000 went to 14,600. So good work on that. Let's see. Cardano up 17%. BNB up 20%. Solana up 36%. Polygon up 61% right now. Polygon is absolutely knocking it out the park. Keep them on y'all radars. Avalanche up 43% as well. Shib up 18% for the week. So, sometimes when you see the markets going down, this is why you can't be afraid. This is why you want to be greedy when others are fearful, because when they're fearful, you get the chance to get that discount and run the price up, or run your bag up, your gains up once the price turns around. So that's all we got for this video. I'm DecemberDeMarco. If you're interested in learning how to trade stock options, reach out to me so I can teach you how to do this yourself via email, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com, and we are out.